In this lesson, we're going to add more scenes and animate 2 images in one scene. Let's go to the first scene, click on the image of the mortal. Let's bring the timeline all the way to the left, click on the position to get the diamond here, bring the timeline to the middle, click on the number here, and click and drag up to have the guy go up a little bit. And then instead of clicking on the diamond here and doing a Command C to copy and then coming over here to do a Command V to paste, we're just going to do one thing to duplicate it and move a diamond. You want to press the Option key and then click on that diamond and drag it to the right. Let go of the Option key and now we have a duplicated diamond. Let's bring it all the way to the right and let's bring this diamond to the middle. Now we can bring our timeline to the beginning and press play.
So you're saying there's no devil in hell?
Cool, right? All right, let's do the first demon. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see what's happening here on my tracks. And we want to make the demon's head a little bit bigger than that. Let's go to scale and drag to the right, click on position and drag to the left, and then click on this position and drag to the left to go up a little bit higher. We want to put him higher in the design to make it look like he's looking down on the mortal, who we're going to add in on the right side here in the next scene. Now that we have him at the correct scale and position, bring the timeline over to the left, click on the position stopwatch to make a first diamond. Bring the timeline to the middle, click on this number here, and drag up a little bit. Do an Option drag on that diamond on the left to duplicate it and put that diamond on the right. Bring the timeline to the beginning of that clip. Let's play to see that animation. All right, that's great. For the next scene, I want to use this guy right here. Let's click on him and do an Option drag, put him over here. I want to use this demon, but I want to do new animation, and I know I have another demon over here. So let's click on that demon, press Option and drag it over to the left, and let's get in a little bit closer so we can make all of these guys the same timing. They're going to all stop at the same time. They're going to start at the same time. They're going to stop at the same time. Okay, so with this guy on the right, let's click on the mortal, and the mortal already has animation. So I'm going to click inside of the animation here, click and drag to select the diamonds and press delete. Now I'm going to bring the scale of the mortal a little bit smaller. I'm going to put him on the right side over here. I'm going to bring him down in the design a bit. For the demon, I'm going to bring him over to the left and higher in the design. And it might make him a little bit bigger. There we go, like 111. I want the demon head to look as big as this person here to make it look interesting. So for the demon, let's bring the timeline to the left, click on the position to make a diamond, bring the timeline to the middle. Let's click on the number here and drag it to the right to drag him down just a little bit. I want him to float down and then up, and I want him to float up and then down. Instead of both of them going up and then down, I want to have the demon going down and then up. The mortal will go up and then down, and then that will look pleasing to the eye. So in the effects panel here, let's do an Option drag on that first diamond, bring it to the right. Let's click on the mortal image. Let's take this diamond here and drag it to the left, and then drag the timeline over here. There must be another diamond in here, so I'm going to drag this a little bit longer to see. Yep, there's the diamond. Let's select it and delete it. Almost got away from me. If you're ever having any animation troubles, always drag the track longer to see if there's any other diamonds in the effects controls. Let's bring that back here, and let's bring the timeline to the middle. Click on this number, drag it up just a little bit, and then do an Option drag with that diamond to the right. Now let's watch this animation.
You say there's no God? So if there's no...
See how that works better when they both go a different direction? Command S to save. All right, I'm going to have you do the rest of these yourself. What I want you to do, open up the storyboard. We got to the third wide shot here. Follow the story from here on out. Click on part 2 to see what happens next, and then click on part 3 to see how it finishes. You know how to make the background bigger or smaller or move it left or right. You know how to resize the images and how to animate them. So do that now. This lesson will continue in the next video.